welcome to our principal sir, principal director ma'am, director sir, our respected teachers and the stars of this evening, our class 12 students.
For those joining us today, I am Kirti.
And I am Prachi. We'll be your hosts for this evening as we celebrate memories, milestones and moments that truly matter.
To begin this evening on a note of reverence and gratitude, we now move to a tradition that symbolizes wisdom, hope, and new beginnings.
The lighting of the lamp reminds us that knowledge dispels darkness and that every meaningful journey begins with clarity and purpose.
We respectfully invite our honored dignitary to please come forward for the ceremonial lamp lighting.
Principal Director Ma'am, Principal Sir, respected judges, Veena Ma'am, Deepti Ma'am and Jyoti. As the lamp is lit, we will be chanting the Gayatri Mantra, a prayer that seeks enlightenment, inner strength, and guidance for the path ahead. Thank you.
Let us introduce you to our esteemed judges of this celebration.
Today, it is a moment of pride and nostalgia as we welcome Akshita Rajput, an outstanding student of the 2024-25 batch, and Miss Aryan's 2024-25, who will be gracefully passing on her crown today. A brilliant student of commerce, Akshita is the rare combination of academic excellence, discipline, and grace. Let's give a big round of applause to Akshita Rajput.
When passion meets purpose, distances no longer matter. Our final judge this evening is Sumedha Saxena, the Greenhouse Prefect of the 2024-25 batch and topper of the Humanities stream, a student known for her intellect, leadership and depth of thought. Her journey from the school corridors to one of the India's premier colleges is truly inspiring, and her presence today adds immense value to this occasion. A heartfelt welcome to Sumedha Saxena.
We have our next two judges with us. They say leaders are not born, they are groomed. And tonight we have a shining example of that very journey. Please welcome Deepika Singh, head girl of the 2022-23 batch of the Aryan School. Known for her sincerity, discipline and an unwavering sense of responsibility. Deepika was a student every teacher could rely on and every junior could look up to. With her exceptional oratory skills, she didn't just speak on stage, she commanded it calmly, confidently and convincingly. It gives us immense pride to have her back, not as a student this time, but as a judge, guiding and encouraging the next generation of Aryans. A warm round of applause for Deepika Singh.
Biology may be about life sciences, but this guest has truly brought life to biology. Our next judge is Suheen Khan, the Red House Prefect of the 2022-23 batch, a student who beautifully balanced academics with creativity. A sincere learner from the biology stream, Suheen has always taken learning beyond textbooks and classrooms. She is widely known for creating fun, engaging biology content on Instagram and YouTube. From Red House leadership to Red Hot Reels, she continues to inspire students in her own unique way. Please welcome Suheen Khan.
They say that behind every confident student stands a guide who believed in them before they believed in themselves.
A guide whose words shape not just academic journeys, but values that last a lifetime.
It is our honor to invite a mentor, visionary, and a constant source of inspiration for our school.
May we please invite our respected principal sir to address the gathering and share his words of wisdom with our students.
Good evening, respected Director Sir, Principal Director Ma'am, judges, teachers, members of the staff, and my dear students. Farewell is always a very emotional day. Some of you may be feeling a tinge of sadness today now that you are leaving school after, some of you may be leaving the school after 15 years. So it's almost a second home for you. This event marks the last day of that school journey. Some of you may be feeling different kind of emotions. You are very happy today now that you won't have to get up early in the morning. In fact, some of you are feeling a different kind of energy. I saw you couldn't contain it. You were riding your bullets, and obviously that noise, you love that noise. So you were coming and you couldn't control the accelerator. So you are too excited to leave the place. But in any case, this journey, as the anchors were saying, this day doesn't mark an end. It marks a transition. You are now taking all the values, all the discipline that you have learned, all the lessons that you have learned beyond the textbooks into the world outside. Many of your, no, not many of your, but 4 of your alumni are here, alumni members. They are here to judge the Mr. and Miss Farewell competition for tonight. They have gone into the outside world already and they are doing quite well, I am sure. Also, as the program progresses, I am certain that you will momentarily forget everything else and immerse yourselves in the wonderful performance that our class 11 students have lovingly prepared for you. Enjoy every bit of it. You truly deserve this celebration. However, amid the music, laughter and photographs, do remember that an important milestone lies just ahead, your board examinations. So once this farewell concludes today, I expect each one of you to redirect your complete focus towards your preparation. I say this with a smile because I know over the past week you have been wondering what dress to wear on the day of farewell. So please remove your minds from that section and then come back to board exams. Be wise in your decisions, brave in your pursuits, humble in your achievements, and compassionate in your actions. And wherever life takes you, be a true Aryan always. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your invaluable words and for always guiding us with clarity and compassion.
Your message will continue to inspire our students as they step confidently into their future.
Dance doesn't always need speed or spectacle to leave an impression.
Sometimes it's the voice, the expressions, and the quiet confidence that speak the loudest.
The performance you're about to witness is a blend of elegance and coordination, where movement meets mood.
So, sit back and enjoy this graceful presentation by the overruling divas.
boys, I am singing song. Soup song. Flop song.
Why this colaveri day? Why this colaveri day? Rhythm correct?
Yo, got an Ojla. Abby, you already know, baby.
ਉਹ ਸ਼ੂਵਰ ਸੱਚ ਜਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਕੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਬੱਬਰ ਸ਼ੇਰਾ ਫੁੱਲ ਦਲੇਰਾ ਸੱਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੂਵਰ ਸੱਚ ਜਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਕੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਬੱਬਰ ਸ਼ੇਰਾ ਫੁੱਲ ਦਲੇਰਾ ਸੱਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੇ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਦੇ ਪੱਟ ਹੋਣੀਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਉਹ ਤੈਨੇ ਸ਼ੌਕ ਦੇ ਪੱਟ ਹੋਣੀਏ ਜੱਟ ਦੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਦੇ ਭਗੌੜੇ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਭਗੌੜੇ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਸ਼ੂਵਰ ਸੱਚ ਜਟਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਾਕੇ ਕੰਨੀ ਵਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਉਹ ਬੱਬਰ ਸ਼ੇਰਾ ਫੁੱਲ ਦਲੇਰਾ ਸੱਤ ਦੇ ਨਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ ਭਗੌੜੇ ਚਿੱਟੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਬਰਾਊਨ ਗੱਡੀਆਂ ਕਾਲੀਆਂ ਨੀ
What's good with it? Watch out, man. Watch out. Lil G coming, man. They say you go. He always have to. Yeah, dog. You killing the game. Lil G.
ਕੈਮੜਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਤੋਲਦਾ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਤੇਰਾ ਭਾਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਦੇਖ ਬਾਲੀਵੁੱਡ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਿੰਨੇ ਖਾਨ ਨੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਸੋਨਾਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਤੇਰਾ ਰੱਖਾ ਮੈਂ ਰੱਬ ਰੱਖਾ ਯਾਰ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਲਾਵਾ ਉੱਠੇ ਸਾਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ ਗੱਭਰੂ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਰੀ ਨੂੰ ਵੀ ਮਿੱਠਾ ਬੋਲਦਾ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਫੇਰ ਜੱਟ ਦਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਗੋਰੀਏ
मैं डालू ताल पे भंगड़ा तू भी गिद्दा पा दे चले रंग जमा दे हमके बने सभी मत वाले
मन कहे कि मैं ले आऊं चांद और तारे सारे इन हाथों पर मैं चांद रखूं इस मांग में भर दूं तारे
हेलो हेलो तू फ्लोर पे जब है आई येलो येलो बड़ी सॉलिड मस्ती छाई
हेलो हेलो तू मुझे गुंडी लगाई येलो येलो
and very well presented.
The synchronization and expressions truly added charm to the performance.
A lovely start to the performances this evening.
Akash sir, this is for you. आकाश सर थोड़ी छुट्टी ले लिया करो. पूरे दिन पढ़ाना जरूरी नहीं होता है, और अगर आपको जरूरत नहीं होती ना छुट्टी लेने की, तो इससे अच्छा बच्चों को दे दिया करो. और वैसे भी बच्चे तो भगवान का रूप होते हैं, as we all know, तो they deserve it. आप थोड़ा घूमने जाया करो प्लीज, बिकॉज अगर आप घूमने नहीं जाओगे तो हम लोग को तो कैसे पता चलेगा कि कब छुट्टी मिल रही है. एंड आप वैसे तो घूमने जाते होंगे, बट आपको नॉलेज निश्चित पूरी दुनिया की होती है, पूरी दुनिया की नॉलेज. और मैं एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ, जितने भी बच्चे यहाँ पर छुट्टियाँ लेते हैं ना, उन सब के साथ स्टेटस चेक करते हैं, और हमेशा असली रीजन जो छुट्टी का उन्होंने लिया होता है वो हमेशा नकली रीजन से भेज देते हैं. अब बताओ इससे इंटरेस्टिंग इनकी कोई क्लास हो सकती है? बट सर थैंक यू एक फ्रेंड की तरह पढ़ाने के लिए, और अगर कुछ ना समझ आए तो बार बार समझाने के लिए. योर क्लास इज द मोस्ट इंटरेस्टिंग क्लास, चाहे आप जितने भी पीरियड्स ले लो. थैंक यू. आकाश जायसवाल सर. सब लोग तैयार हैं आकाश जायसवाल सर के लिए? आकाश जायसवाल सर, मैं आपको एक बात कहना चाहती हूँ अपने दिल से, पूरे स्टूडेंट समाज के बिहाफ पे. सर हमने मैथ्स बहुत सोच समझ कर ली थी. हाँ रिग्रेट होता है, मानती हूँ मैं, बहुत रिग्रेट होता है हमें, पर आप रोज रोज आकर इस क्लास में हमें क्यों रिग्रेट कराने के लिए पड़े रहते हो कि इसका चलो फिजिकल एजुकेशन दे रहे थे. अरे अब तो चलो बोर्ड आने वाले सबसे. और सर आप प्लीज क्लास में आके चले पर नमक मत छिड़का करो, ऑलरेडी बहुत रिग्रेट होता है हमें. एंड सर इट्स अस नॉट यू, हम ही नहीं पढ़ते हैं, आप तो पूरा पढ़ाते हो शायद. नो जस्ट किडिंग. बस सर मैं यही कहूंगी कि आप सच में बहुत अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं, अगर कोई आपसे अच्छे से पढ़े तो. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Vedika.
Some students don't just participate, they quietly stand out.
Not always with noise, but with consistency, commitment, and a little extra spark that refuses to go unnoticed.
The most promising students award celebrate those individuals who have left distinct impression in classrooms, on stages, on fields, and sometimes even in the attendance register.
These awards recognize excellence in different forms because promise isn't limited to just marks. It's reflected in attitude, effort, and balance.
Let us now begin with the titles for this category. We invite respected Principal Sir to the stage to felicitate our winners and share the moment. Winners, this is your moment. We invite you to claim it on stage.
The all-rounder performer, Navya Srivastava.
The best orator, Navya Srivastava, for the voice that carried confidence, clarity, and just the right amount of persuasion.
The most well-behaved students, Anirudh Shukla, or as his friends call him, LC Shukla, which we obviously don't know what that means. Ansh Kushwaha, Devansh Rajput, Jaya Sharma, Kushad Hayaran, Mayank Pironia, Nancy, Navya Srivastava, Neha Singh, Sanithya Juneja, Urvashi Kundan, because grace, respect, and discipline never go out of style.
Best in sports, Ayushi Nagar, Kumkum Yadav, Shauri Kushrish, Shubh Bhatia, for the ones who brought determination, discipline, and sportsmanship onto the field.
Highest attendance award, Jalaj Gupta. Proof that showing up every day is in itself a remarkable achievement.
Best Prefect Award, Navya Srivastav, for the student who balanced responsibility with leadership, rules with empathy, and still managed to stay admired by both teachers and classmates.
Urvashi. Sanidhya. Nancy. Neha. Navya. You'll be coming on the stage a lot today. Thank you. Ansh. Best in sports, Ayushi. Shubh Bhatia. Navya. Janan. Sorry. Best in sports. That's the best orator award. Congratulations.
Each of these titles reflect not just intelligence but character.
And if this is what promise looks like today, the future is clearly in very good hands. Pankaj sir, this is for you. आप जहाँ भी हैं. पंकज सर और उनका BSc का पीरियड, भाई साहब, सुबह सुबह तो वैसी नींद आ रही होती है और एकदम से पता चलता है कि इंग्लिश के पीरियड की जगह पंकज सर का BSc का पीरियड लगने वाला है. सर माफ कीजिएगा, बट इट्स द सब्जेक्ट नॉट यू. अब जब आप सभी 12th इस प्यारे से स्कूल से जा रहे हो तो आप कॉलेज में बैठकर यही सोचोगे और इन्हीं दिनों को याद करोगे कि कैसे पंकज सर के पीरियड में नींद आती थी और कॉलेज में कैसे नींद उड़ी हुई है. सर, अगर आपके पीरियड में नींद आती है तो हंसी भी उठती आती है. जिस तरह से आप पढ़ाते हो और समझाते हो कहानियां बना बनाकर, सच में मजा आ जाता है. थैंक यू. त्यागी सर. एवरीवन रेडी? त्यागी सर, फ्रेंडली बाय नेचर, डिटेक्टिव बाय टैलेंट. सर इतने इजी टू टॉक टू है कि लगता ही नहीं है कि टीचर से बात कर रहे हैं. बस प्रॉब्लम एक ही है कि इनको हर कांड पहले से पता रहते हैं. अग्री? सारे बच्चों पर नजर होती है इनकी, सारे. पर जो क्लासेस बंक करते हैं उनके लिए तो स्पेशल सीसीटीवी विजन ऑन होता है इनका. स्पोर्ट्स में तो सर का जवाब नहीं, मतलब अल्लाह की लेवल है सर का. आग लगा देते हैं फील्ड पर. ग्राउंड में आते हैं तो एनर्जी अपने आप डबल हो जाती है. शॉर्ट में अगर मैं कहूँ तो त्यागी सर फ्रेंडली वाइब्स, शार्प नजर और स्पोर्ट्स लेजेंड है. थैंक यू.
Science. is often seen as formulae, facts and figures.
But behind every result lies discipline, curiosity, and relentless effort.
The Best Performers Awards of the science stream recognize students who didn't just study the subject
But understood it, explored it, and excelled all core and optional subjects.
We now invite the awardees of the science stream to come forward. Put your hands together as our winners make their way to the stage.
I request Sunil Yadav sir to kindly come on the stage and to do the honors. Performer in chemistry is Dipanshi Bajpai.
Please, may I invite Akash Jaiswal sir to join us on the stage. The best performer in physics is Devansh Rajput.
The best performers in mathematics are Mayank Perania and Shreya Dwivedi.
We request Shweta Kohli ma'am to kindly come up on the stage. The best performer in biology are Shreya Sharma and Unnati Shukla.
I request Rashi Chopsy ma'am to do the honors. The best performer in English are Shreya Sharma and Unnati Shukla.
I invite Amit Sahu sir to kindly come upon the stage. The best performer in computers is Agrima Nehekar. Agrima Nehekara. Mikra.
The best performers in physical education are Devansh Rajput, Dipanshi Bajpai, and Saran Shukla. I request Anubhav Tyagi sir to kindly come up on the stage and do the honors.
Your achievements reflect not just intelligence but perseverance.
Congratulations to all the science performers. The future looks sharp already.
Some performances don't rush to impress. They take their time.
They flow, they breathe, and they speak through grace rather than noise.
The next performance beautifully blends the discipline of classical dance with the freedom of contemporary expression.
Please put your hands together for Garima Soni as she brings movement, emotion, and elegance to the stage.
नजर जो तेरी लागी मैं दीवानी हो गई, दीवानी हाँ दीवानी दीवानी हो गई। मशहूर मेरे इश्क की कहानी हो गई, जो जग ने न मानी तो मैंने भी ठानी, कहा थी मैं देखो कहाँ चली आई। कहते हैं ये दीवानी मस्तानी हो गई। बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय ये धिकड़ाक आजा और की सगाट पैरों से बीड़ी जरा खोल नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय धाय धम धम धाय नगाड़ संग ढोल बाजे धाय 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 धम धाय
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी मन दीद कराओ जी रा क्यों तरसावे हो मन सकल दिखाओ जी थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं तो धरी हर चले उन्हें बंगा दी मैं कह लगे मर कीबड़ में जागी दो कणी चंदा में थारी चांदनी मन दामन में पा ही खुशी रे झुम 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 झुम.
That was poised, expressive, and deeply graceful.
Every movement felt intentional, calm, confident, and captivating in its own way. Commerce is where logic meets strategy.
When numbers speak, decisions matter, and balance is everything.
The Best Performance Awards of the Commerce stream celebrate students who showed clarity, consistency, and confidence across all subjects.
We now invite the achievers from the Commerce team to be honored. It would be our honor to invite them to the stage.
The best performers in economics are Akshara Sareen, Anuj Govind, Manvi Thapa, Navya Srivastava, Sanvi Agarwal, Sanithya Juneja. I request Atri sir to please felicitate them.
The best performers in business studies are Anushka Gupta, Manvi Thapa, Navya Srivastava, Sanithya Juneja, Sanvi Agrawal. I request Pankaj sir to please felicitate the students.
The best performers in accountancy are Anirudh Shukla, Anushka Gupta, Jalaj Gupta, Manvi Thapa, Navya Srivastava, Sanithya Juneja, Shantanu Pandey. May I please invite Aniket Rai sir to come upon the stage?
Sanvi, be ready. Navya, be ready. Anushka, be ready. Sanithya, be ready. Navya, be ready. Tell Sanithya to come back. Sanithya, stay here. Who is this? Anirudh Shukla. Manvi Thapa. Manvi. Anushka.
The best performers in English are Ila Jain, Sanithya Juneja, Sanvi Agarwal. I invite Rashi Chokse ma'am to come on the stage.
Congratulations for all your hard work.
The best performers in applied maths are Aniruddha Shukla, Anushka Gupta, Sanitya Janeja. May I please request Akash Jaiswal sir to kindly present the awards. The best performers in physical education are Neha Singh, Urvashi Kundan. I request Anubhav Tyagi sir to please come upon the stage.
Your performance reflects focus and foresight.
Well deserved. Congratulations to all.
We shall now shift gears because the upcoming performance believes in one thing: confidence, clarity, and no filters.
This one's sharp, stylish, and unapologetically bold.
Get ready for No Cap Crew because when they say no cap, they mean it.
गिरीश का सुनने का गाना गिरीश का सुनो गिरीश का सुनेगा
ਇੰਨਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੂਲ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਇੰਨਾ ਵੰਡਰਫੁਲ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਜੇ ਕੁੜੀਆਂ ਤੋਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਸਭ ਮੇ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਬੈਸਟ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਬੈਟਰ ਦਨ ਦੀ ਰੈਸਟ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਵੇਖ ਜੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਤੋਂ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਓ ਮਾਈ ਗॉड ਉਹ ਸੀਨਾ ਤੇ ਬਿਸਕੁੱਟ ਦਾ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਜੇ ਫੁੱਟਦਾ ਉਹ ਧੀਰੇ ਧੀਰੇ ਕਰਦਾ ਧਮਾਲ ਸੋ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਕੁੱਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਉਹ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਕੁੱਕੜੇ ਤੇ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਇਹ ਦਿਲ ਤੇਰੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਨੇੜੇ ਗੇੜੇ ਮਾਰਦਾ ਫੇਰਾ ਕਮਲਾ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂ ਤੇਰੀ ਅੱਖਾਂ ਉੱਤੇ ਹਾਰਦਾ ਰੇ ਨੀ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਹਾਏ 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 ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਏ ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਹਾਏ 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 ਸਮਝ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਅੱਖਰਾਂ ਬਦਾਮੀ ਇੱਕ ਲਾਟ ਵਰਗੀ ਕਿੰਨੇ ਸੀ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਇਹ ਹਲਾਕ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਕਿੰਨਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਦਿਲਾਂ ਤੇ ਚਲਾ ਗਈ ਯਾਰੀਆਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਗਈ ਕਰਦੀ ਸੀ ਪਤਾ ਹੱਥੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਟਾਈਮ ਦਾ ਦੂਰ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਦੇਖ ਮੇਰਾ ਦਿਲ ਸਹਿਬਦਾ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮੇਰੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਹੱਥ ਜਾ ਛਡਾ ਕੇ ਹੁਣ ਜਾਂਦੇ ਹੋ ਗਏ 9:45 ਓਏ ਹੋਏ ਨੀ ਤੂੰ ਸੋਹਣੀ ਬਾਲੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਦਿਲ ਮਿਲਣ ਨੂੰ ਕਾਲੀ ਕਾਤੋਂ ਤੂੰ ਡਰਦੀ ਕੁੜੀਏ ਲਾ ਲਈ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਜੇ ਯਾਰੀ ਤਾਈ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿ ਰੱਖ ਹੁਣ ਬਿੜਕਾਣਾ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਮਾਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਝਿੜਕਾਣਾ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਮੁੰਡੇ ਨੂੰ ਹਾਂ ਕਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਤੂੰ ਵੀ ਉੱਤੇ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਉਮਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਪਿੱਛੇ ਪੈ ਗਿਆ ਨਾਲ ਖਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਲੇ ਬਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਗਈਆਂ ਹੁਣ ਹਰ ਗਈਆਂ ਨੀ ਸਹਿ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ ਨੀ ਮੈਂ ਦਿਲ ਲੈ ਗਿਆ ਕੋਈ नाम तेरा दिल पे लिखान ने फिरे फोटो तेरी पटवे में लान ने फिरे बन जाने मम्मी मेरे बाल चाकी तू रोटी तेरे हाथा की ओ खान ने फिरे हो आज लगना बैठी साइकिल के डंडे पे आज लगना बैठी साइकिल के डंडे पे रतन ने चुकर घुमा लूं हीरो होंडे पे रतन ने चुकर घुमा लूं हीरो होंडे पे
हो मेरी काली एक्टिवा दा एक दिन खड़ गया हैंडल फड़ के पानी पानी होगी मैं पट्टू हां करवांदे अड़के कहंदा कुर्ती तेरी ते मैनू लटकण पट गए दूजा लट दा कोबरा गिरदा नी मेरे पिंड दे गेड़े मारदा ఎందుకు పుట్టిందో పుట్టింది మోను వందే ముచ్చట పుట్టింది పుడతాని పిచ్చి పట్టింది ఈ పేరు పెట్టింది వయ్యారం ఓడి కట్టింది గోరింట పెట్టింది సామికి ముక్కులు కట్టింది చుట్టేస్తాంది చుట్టమల్లె చుట్టేస్తాంది
Pooja, what is this behavior?
I'm sorry, I kicked it by mistake.
You can't kick it by mistake.
Then pick it up if it bothers
No,
you.
you will pick it up.
You don't tell me what to do.
I can tell you what
You
to do.
do not
No,
tell me
let's
what to
jump.
do.
That's my next
You
thing
do
that's
not
happened.
tell me what to do.
Or what? Are you going to hit me?
Do you want it?
I don't
Because
want
you're
it.
asking for it. You're dying for it. Get off my back. Got it?
ओ गड्डे ते ना चढ़दी गटीरे ते ना चढ़दी गड्डे ते ना चढ़दी गटीरे ते ना चढ़दी छड़िया दे टट्टू ते टप चढ़दी बोल तारा रा ते बोल तारा रा जंजूरी कलाल करदी बोल तारा रा ते बोल तारा रा जंजूरी कलाल करदी बोल तारा रा
That was clean, confident, and seriously well synced.
Safe to say, they owned every beat.
Humanities teaches us to think, to question, and to understand perspectives.
It shapes voices that observe deeply and express thoughtfully.
The Best Performers Awards of the Humanities stream recognize students who exceed across diverse subjects with insight and individuality.
We now invite the humanities achievers to receive their awards.
The best performer in geography are Kumkum Yadav, Ritika Mishra, and Stuti Vaidya. I request Akash Mishra sir to kindly come upon the stage.
The best performers in history are Kumkum Yadav, Sanskriti Chaurasia, and Stuti Vaidya. I invite Anchal Savarwal ma'am to do the honors.
The best performers in political science are Kumkum Yadav, Sanskriti Chaurasia, and Stuti Vaidya. I request Akash Mishra sir to kindly come upon the stage.
The best performer in English is Kumkum Yadav. May I please invite Ranshi Chokse ma'am to do the honors?
The best performer in applied maths is Kumkum Yadav. I request Akash Teswal sir to please come upon the stage.
The best performer in physical education is Stuti Vaidya. Please may I invite Anubhav Tyagi sir to facilitate.
Your work reflects awareness, expression, and depth.
Congratulations, you have truly made your mark.
Confidence doesn't always announce itself.
Sometimes it simply walks in calmly, sharply, and with purpose.
The Boys Ramp Box celebrates individuality, style, and attitude, each in its own unique way.
As I call the group members and batch members of the students, you are requested to join us on the stage.
Group 1, batch number 1, 2, 3 and 4 are requested to come up on the stage. Group 2, 5, 6, 7 and 8 batch numbers are requested to be ready.
Good evening everyone. Myself Akshay Pratap Singh, singer of class 12th A. And thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, myself Himanshu Shah of class 12th A Science.
Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, myself Gaurang Srivastava of class 12th A. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, myself Kushagra Aran of class 12th A. Thank you.
Good evening everyone. My name is Manu Rawat. I am from class 12th Science.
Good evening everyone. My name is Shubhanshu Ayal. I am a student of class 12th A.
Good evening everybody. Namaste. Myself Snehal Pandey. I am from class 12th A. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good evening everyone. My name is Uday Narayan Trivedi. Thank you.
I request group 3, the batch numbers 9, 10, 11 and 12 to kindly come up on stage.
Good evening. Myself N. Sharma from class 12 D. Commerce.
Good evening everyone. I am Anirudh Shukla. I am the head boy of the school.
Good evening everyone. Myself Ansh Yadav of class 12 D.
Good evening everyone. I am Manoj Govind. I am the most calmest person you'll ever meet.
My name is Lakshit Saini. Thank you, all of you, for this party.
Good evening everyone. My name is Jalaj Gupta. Thank you for this party.
Good evening everyone, myself Harshpal and I am the most sweetest person as the batch says, and thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, myself Ayush Sharma of class 12B. Thank you everyone.
I request group 5, batch numbers 17, 18, 19 and 20 to kindly come and hold the stage.
Hello everyone, I am Shantanu Pandey of class 12. I love accountancy. I will miss you all. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Sanjay Juneja of class 12. I am driven by curiosity and logic and love to question everything.
Hello everyone, my name is Pushkar Swami. My walk contains a different attitude, different grace and different gratitude. And with this gratitude, I live my life with loyalty and loyalty.
Good evening everyone, my name is Anik Chaursia. Thank you for being motivated and guide. Thank you.
Illumination.
Hello everyone, I am Shaurya Tahu, a fellow member of this institution and very confident who I am.
Hello everyone, myself Shubh Bhatia and I am the sports king of the school. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Aish Patel.
Thank you.
That was confidence worn with ease.
A strong round of applause for the boys who brought style with substance and swag.
Some performances entertain.
Some performances stay with you.
The next dance draws inspiration from strength, roots, and resilience.
Please welcome all our farmers as they bring depth, rhythm, and meaning to the stage. Get ready for Aryan's Ki Paltak as the boys light up the stage with rhythm and record.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are not ready for this.
ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਪਰਦੇਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਨਿਤ ਦਾ ਰੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ ਨਾਲ ਰਜੇਟੇ ਜੋਗੀ ਦੇ ਤੈਨੂੰ ਜੋਗਣ ਹੋਣਾ ਪੈ ਜਾਊਗਾ
Get ready.
Honey sing, honey sing. बादशाह महात्मा गांधी कहते थे
हर दिन का मसला चक के असल पंगे क्यों पाउने हो पंगे क्यों पाउने हो जिथे भी जाने हो तेरा करोने हो दसो कि चाहने हो दसो कि चाहने
सॉरी 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 यार क्या कर रहे हैं आप ऐसे नहीं एक पर्सनालिटी है यार स्टाइल है एकदम हीरो टाइप टेक इट अवे
अपनी तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे तो जैसे तैसे थोड़ी ऐसे या वैसे हट जाएगी आपका क्या होगा जनाबे आली आपका क्या होगा अपने आगे ना पीछे ना कोई ऊपर नीचे रोने वाला ना कोई रोने वाली जनाबे आली आपका क्या होगा
पीछे डोलते हो भंवरों की तरह क्यों देखते हो मुझको यूं बेसब्रों की तरह क्यों आगे पीछे डोलते हो भंवरों की तरह क्यों देखते हो मुझको यूं बेसब्रों की तरह क्या मेरे दीवाने हो
नहीं नहीं
क्या कोई परवाने हो
नहीं नहीं
क्या मेरे दीवाने हो क्या कोई परवाने हो काम क्या है मुझसे इतना कह दो जी जरा
अरे भाभी जी आपका दुपट्टा
उठाती हूँ लाल दुपट्टा उड़ गया रे मेरी हवा के झोंके से मुझको पिया ने देख लिया हाय रे धोखे से माना कि मुझे दिल देगा वो मगर मेरी जान लेगा
हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है
भीम की शक्ति धूम मचाए सामने कोई टिक ना पाए छोटा भीम छोटा भीम छोटा भीम छोटा भीम 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 छोटा भीम छोटा भीम
बस हवा निकल गई
बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
That wasn't just dance, that was memory in motion.
Pure energy, pure vibe, and a whole lot of heart.
अनिकेत सर जो वहाँ पे खड़े हैं आपके लिए. अनिकेत सर जो हमेशा सपोर्ट का स्ट्रॉन्ग पिलर बन के खड़े रहे जब भी गाइडेंस चाहिए होती हो. सब्स्टिट्यूशंस हो या डाउट क्लासेस, आपने हर एक रोल को फुल डेडिकेशन और ईज के साथ हैंडल किया. कॉमर्स के ऑलमोस्ट सारे सब्जेक्ट्स में आपकी वर्सेटिलिटी आपको truly अलग बनाती है. थैंक यू हमेशा अवेलेबल रहकर डाउट्स क्लियर करने के लिए और हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस बूस्ट करने के लिए. आपने प्रूव किया कि एक ग्रेट टीचर सब्जेक्ट से नहीं कमिटमेंट से पहचाना जाता है. Your guidance made learning smoother even in the absence of our principal sir. Thank you. राशि मैम जो पर्दे के पीछे खड़ी हुई है, आपकी इंग्लिश की तो दीवानी हूँ मैं. मतलब क्या ही तारीफ करूँ मैं मैम की इंग्लिश की, मेरे पास कोई लफ्ज नहीं है. मतलब यार हर एक चैप्टर के हार्ड वर्ड्स लिख कर लाओ एक दिन पहले. अरे यार आपने क्लास में पढ़ाते वक्त लिखवाने तो है, तो हम एक दिन पहले मेहनत क्यों करें? पर अगर ना लिख के लाओ तो मैम जमीन पर बैठा देती है. और फिर इन पे गुस्सा भी कैसे करो? ये स्माइल कर देती है तो लगता है कि गलती तो हमारी ही है, अगली बार से नहीं करेंगे. मैम आपके गुस्से और प्यार दोनों की वजह से ही हम यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं. थैंक यू.
Thank you, Vedika.
Alright everyone, it's time to shift attention, not to the stage,
but to confidence, elegance, and attitude walking straight towards us.
The girls' ramp walk isn't just about fashion.
It's about presence, how you walk in, how you hold yourself, and how comfortably you own the moment. Now, I will be calling out the group numbers and batch numbers of the students. You're cordially requested to be present on the stage. I request Group 1, batch numbers 24, 25, 26 and 27. Kindly be present on stage.
Yo, boys up and walk right up to the beat. Come on.
Good evening everyone, myself Anshika Verma from class 12 science.
Good evening everyone, myself Andi Yadav, class 12 science.
Good evening everyone, myself Bhumi Singh Rashid from class 12 science.
Group 2, batch numbers 28, 29, 30 and 31 to be kindly present on stage, and Group 3 to be ready. Some people walk the path, some people wait around for us.
Good evening everyone, myself Dipanshi Bharti from class 12 and I am Devamin and the assistant group.
Good evening everyone, myself Isha Prajapati from class 12A science. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, myself Janvi Nitin from class 12. Thank you everyone.
Good evening everyone, I am Aditi. As today it's a very memorable and emotional day for all of us, so let's make it slay.
Expression, take on, calm on the face, chaos in the confidence.
Good evening everyone, my name is Rachna Verma. Thank you for your love, support and beautiful memories. Thank you so much.
Good evening everyone, myself Shreya Dwivedi. Thank you for this wonderful event.
Good evening, I'm Shreya, and I've got a pretty curious mind for which my dad likes to call me question mark.
Good evening everyone, my name is Unnati Shukla from class 12 science. I see myself as an amiable and considerate girl. Thank you.
Priyanshi Tiwari, Chhota Donor from Science Section. Thank you. Good evening everyone, my name is Akshasri and I am from class 12 Commerce and I prefer elegance isn't about perfection, it's about how we carry it. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Angel Riker from class 12 Commerce. I feel blessed to be here. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Anushka Gupta from class 12 Commerce. I feel very obliged to be here.
Good evening everyone, myself Mani Thapar from class 12A.
Good evening everyone, myself Kanishka Raipa from class 12 Commerce.
A very marvelous good evening to our marvelous judges. I, Ila Jain of class 12 Commerce here, always follow the purpose instead of trends. This is my way to say goodbye to you all.
Good evening everyone, myself Deepthi Verma from class 12 Commerce. I am always grateful for this journey. Thank you and all the best to you all.
This crowd clearly says one thing: elegance never goes out of style.
Hello everyone, I'm Sanvi. I'm a storyteller at heart and a listener by choice. And I will always cherish these moments with me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Pavni Varshney. I have a great interest in traditional dancing.
Good evening everyone, myself Navya Shrivastava from grade 12B Commerce.
Good evening everyone, this is Anshaya Gupta. They call me most funniest, which I doubt. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Afrin Mansoori from class 12B. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Ayushi Nagar from Humanities Section. Thank you for this evening.
Good evening everyone, this is Vedika Shrivastava. It's truly a privilege to speak in front of you all today. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, I am Vanshika Gupta from class 12B and I love exploring new things.
Good evening everyone, I am Srishti Seni from class 12B. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, this is Vaishnavi Srivastava from class 12B Science.
Good evening everyone, this is Gauri Dubey and I am my main character Rena. Good evening everyone, my name is Kruti Vaidya. I am from Humanities Section. I am a good person with a sarcastic nature. That's what my friends call me.
Good evening everyone, myself Ritika Mishra from class 12C Humanities. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Kulkum Yadav and I am from Humanities, where we learn how our nation works. Thank you.
A big round of applause for the girls who turned the stage into their runway.
We now move forward for the questionnaire round of the boys.
A round that values clarity, composure, and the ability to think on your feet. For that, I would like to request our shortlisted boys to come upon the stage.
So I have had no interference whatsoever. The judges are a witness to that, and they'll be the ones who will ask you questions. Okay, I have shifted that responsibility. Okay, so first question, Soheen will ask. Snehal, we'll start in this order. Okay.
Good evening, Snehal.
Good evening.
So my question for you is, which profession according to you deserves the highest salary?
According to me, I think the defense, the people who are engaged in defense occupations like military, armed forces, they should deserve the highest salary because they are protecting us at the cost of their lives. So I think that they should deserve first the highest salary.
Okay, thank you, Snehal.
Manu, my question to you is, what's one thing Gen Z does better than previous generations?
I think better style, maybe.
Thank you, Manu.
What is one personal accomplishment that you're proud of?
One personal accomplishment that I'm proud of, which I haven't clearly completed yet, is writing a book. And I really love the process of writing a book because it really makes you think with different perspectives and understand different areas and fields.
Hi, Pushkar.
Hello.
One line that truly describes you.
Most handsome one.
So my question for you is, if you were given a choice to have either extraordinary intelligence or exceptional beauty, which one would you choose and why?
I think I would choose intelligence because beauty really doesn't matter to me that much.
Okay, thank you.
Harsh, my question to you is, if you met a group of students who were unsure about taking admission here, how would you convince them to choose this school?
From my point of view as the teachers, they promote students towards studies, towards co-curricular activities. I would like to take the name Akash Attri sir. He really pushed me and encouraged me to study well and appear for my boards as a good student. Thank you. That's all.
If you were to write a book, what would it be about and what message would you convey through it?
My book name should be Overconfidence Kills a Person. Because I don't think overconfidence. A person should have overconfidence as it destroys himself or herself from inside. Thank you.
My name is Shubh Bhatia.
Are you a role model for your juniors? If so, then why?
If we were talking about football, yes, I am the role model in the school because I am the most supportive player for my juniors. Like you can ask from my juniors like Tanay Vyas. I support very much in football. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, Shubh.
Ahil.
Good evening, Ahim.
Good evening.
So my question for you is, if success had a definition for you, what would it be?
To live a settled life.
Okay,
That's all. Thank you.
thank you. Good evening, Laksh.
Good evening.
My question to you is, what's something you learned outside the classroom that mattered more than marks?
Behavior. Thanks.
Thank you.
You did not learn anything in the classroom. Everything that you learned was outside the classroom.
Who, aside from your family, has the biggest influence on you?
My sister's husband, he's a CA.
Hi, Akshay. One challenge in life that shaped you the most.
My 11th result.
Thank you, Akshay.
Good evening, Dora.
Good evening.
My question for you is, if you could change one thing in our school, what would it be?
Some mandatory skills for every student it should be compulsory to all the students to participate in any of the activity. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, Shah.
Good evening.
My question to you is, if you could change one thing about social media, what would it be?
I would like to change the content of the reels which are nowadays are, as we all know that in social media kids are also using social media, so some vulgar reels come and they inspire from them. I don't appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, Shah.
That was thoughtful and well handled.
Confidence truly speaks when words are chosen wisely. Some performances entertain.
Some performances stay with you.
The next dance draws inspiration from strength, roots, and resilience.
Please welcome all our farmers as they bring depth, rhythm, and meaning to the stage.
You are not ready for this.
तुझसे मिलना पुरानी दिल्ली में, छोड़ आए निशानी दिल्ली में, पल्ली मारा से दरी बेतलक, तेरी मेरी कहानी दिल्ली में। ओ काली कमली वाले को याद करके, तेरे काले काले नैनों की कसम खाते हैं।
ओ तेरे काले काले नैनों की बलाएं ले लूं, तेरे काले काले नैनों को दुआएं दे दूं।
मेरी जान उदास है, होठों पे प्यास है, आजा रे आजा रे आजा रे।
ओ तेरी बातों में किमाम की खुशबू है, ओ तेरा आना भी गर्मियों की लू है।
ओ तेरी बातों में किमाम की खुशबू है, ओ तेरा आना भी गर्मियों की लू है।
मेरी अंगड़ाई न टूटे तू आजा, मेरी अंगड़ाई न टूटे तू आजा।
कजरा रे कजरा रे कजरा रे, तेरे कारे कारे नैना। कजरा रे तेरे कारे कारे नैना। ओ तेरे नैना तेरे नैना तेरे नैना जुड़वा नैना।
रंगीला भारा ढोलना, ढोलना वे।
आरा रा
ਤਾਂ ਇੰਨਾ ਪਿਆਰ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਹੱਕ ਨਾ ਫੜੀ ਤੂੰ ਮੇਰੀ ਬਾਂਹ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਸੋਹਣਾ ਲੈਣਾ ਮੇਰਾ ਨਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਦੇਗਾ ਤੂੰ ਜਾਨ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਪਿਆਰ ਜੱਟਾ ਤਾਂ
Shake your body, rock and roll to the beat of the dome. Honey, 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 dance on the
grounded and beautifully executed. That performance truly carried soul.
Akash Mishra sir. आकाश मिश्रा सर जिन्होंने मैप्स को बोरिंग नहीं फुल स्टोरी मोड बना दिया। कंट्रीज सिर्फ नेम नहीं रहे, हर जगह एक कहानी बन गई। थैंक यू फॉर हेल्पिंग अस एक्सप्लोर द वर्ल्ड। एक कॉन्टिनेंट, एक लेक्चर और थोड़ा सा होमवर्क एट अ टाइम। आपने सिर्फ ज्योग्राफी नहीं पढ़ाई, दुनिया को समझने का तरीका सिखा दिया। बिकॉज ऑफ यू दुनिया कभी दूर नहीं लगी, बस टेक्स्ट बुक के पेज नंबर जितनी दूर। सच में आपकी क्लास में हर एक मैप यादगार और हर डायरेक्शन मीनिंगफुल बन जाती है। आंचल मैम, आपके एक्सप्रेशंस हिस्टोरिकल वॉर से भी ज्यादा ड्रामेटिक होते हैं। वो लेजेंडरी लुक्स और परफेक्ट टाइमिंग वाली डांस ने हिस्ट्री क्लासेस को ट्रूली अनफॉरगेटेबल बना दिया। आपने सिखाया कि डिसिप्लिन भी हिस्ट्री बनाता है, चाहे उसके साथ थोड़ी डांट फ्री में क्यों ना हो। आपकी क्लास में फियर, फन और फैक्ट्स सब कुछ हिस्ट्री की तरह परफेक्टली बैलेंस्ड होता है। थैंक यू।
Now it's time to put spontaneity, presence of mind and confidence to the test.
The questionnaire round is
Good evening all the dignitaries. I am Ilajan and my batch number is 41. Good evening Ila. My question for you is, society is changing but some issues for females still exist. What is that one thing you would like to see? Thank you for the question, ma'am. And the question is really wonderful, and this question actually target to the issue of the society. The society has evolved, but the female, where the female has to be, the stage of female hasn't evolved yet. So through your question, without putting a language barrier, I would like to say that the one change I would like to see that would enhance the we say woman power is that not only wives at the home are supposed to take care of kids and take care of home alone, but also the husband is equally responsible for the growth of kids, for the finance, and for the household chores. So one thing I would like to change is the patriarchy system. Stop targeting wives. The husband is equally responsible for the outcomes and consequences of everything.
Thank you, Ila.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Akshay Singh and my batch number is 37. My question to you is, who inspired you the most here and how? It could be anyone, teacher, student, or even our beloved helpers. My inspiration here is definitely Akash sir, because many a time I felt like I'm nowhere, and many times I felt that my efforts are just waste. I just put so much effort for every subject, like I study a lot, but then too the outcome was not so good. And every single problem I ask him, and he every time he guides me, and because of him only that my efforts are consistent, and therefore I'm just doing what he says. So he is my inspiration, and definitely I also want to become a respectful CA like him. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, and myself Dipanshi Bajpayee, and my batch number is 28.
What's one thing that you absolutely love or admire about the school?
There are many things that I loved about this school, but one of them is the means motivating the student, and this school means support every student and also helps in enhancing their personality, and also means before coming to that school, a child is just like a rock. This school polishes that child and make it like a diamond. So according to me, this school has played a major role in enhancing my personality and making me means a good person, so that I can face the hurdles in my life.
Good evening everyone, my name is Unnati Shukla and my batch number is 35.
Hi Unnati. Do you think that the youth of today faces more pressure of performance than the previous generation?
Yes, definitely I think that the youth faces pressure because the competition is enhancing day by day, and also the difficulty level of the course and the syllabus that we have to study. In the earlier times, people did not worry about their future so much, and yes, definitely.
Good evening everyone once again, and thank you so much for the question, ma'am. I believe that a stereotype that I had to overcome was being skinny. I always felt that skinny people don't look good, or today in fact I was very nervous about how I look in fact, and today I'm gaining confidence with myself, and that's why I'm here, and I'm overcoming this stereotype in fact that skinny people do not look good. They in fact do look very good, and it's just all about thinking. Okay? Thank you very much.
You look absolutely stunning, don't worry.
Good evening everyone, myself Kumkum Yadav and my batch number is 53.
Hi Kumkum.
Hi ma'am.
Is confidence more important than beauty?
Yes ma'am, confidence is absolutely more important than beauty. Because if you are confident, you can represent yourself well in front of the people. Whereas if you are beautiful, it doesn't mean that you are very good in something or you are very accomplished in something. You have to be confident, because if we can take an example, you are suppose you are in an interview. If you are beautiful, it doesn't mean that the interview will pass you and will say you are selected. But if you are confident, he will absolutely consider this thing that this person is absolutely confident, and he will absolutely, or we can say 100% give you the job. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening everyone, myself Ritika Mishra and my batch number is 54.
Good evening Ritika.
Good evening ma'am.
My question for you is, if you had a chance to change your current stream or field of study, would you? Why or why not?
According to me, I will definitely not change my stream, because humanities is the subject which teaches about the world, also about the features of the earth and different kinds of things, and even history also tells us about the past things and also gives us the moral values and different kinds of lessons
which is very important for one. Thank you.
That was confidence under pressure.
Clear thoughts, honest responses. Well done to all participants. Sunil sir, this is for you. Sunil sir, झांसी के बेस्ट ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के टीचर. देखो थोड़ा सरकाज़म डालना जरूरी होता है ना? चलो छोड़ो. सर इतना अच्छा पढ़ाते हैं कि कंफ्यूजन खुद इवैपोरेट हो जाता है और डाउट पूछो तो आंसर्स इतने क्लियर मिलते हैं जैसे सॉल्यूशन ऑलरेडी फिल्टर्ड हो. थोड़ी स्ट्रिक्ट है पर इसी स्ट्रिक्टनेस की वजह से रिजल्ट फुल सॉलिड आते हैं सबके. थैंक यू. अमित सर, कंप्यूटर के बेस्ट टीचर, जो सारी गलतियां सॉफ्टवेयर से भी फास्ट डीबग कर देते हैं. सिस्टम हैंग हो या एग्जाम का टेंशन, आपके पास हर प्रॉब्लम का परफेक्ट सॉल्यूशन होता है. आपकी क्लास ने सिखाया कि एरर्स भी फिक्स हो जाते हैं, बस राइट कमांड होनी चाहिए. थैंक यू फॉर टर्निंग कंफ्यूजन इनटू कोड और फियर को कॉन्फिडेंस में. आपने दिखाया कि शॉर्टकट से ज्यादा लॉजिक मैटर करता है. बिकॉज ऑफ यू इवन सिस्टम क्रैश लर्निंग अपॉर्चुनिटी लगता है. श्वेता मैम, बायोलॉजी की टीचर, जिनका काम नेचर हर क्लास को पीसफुल और क्लियर बना देता है. आपकी जेंटल गाइडेंस ने लाइफ के सबसे कॉम्प्लेक्स कॉन्सेप्ट्स को भी इजीली समझने लायक बना दिया. आपने बायोलॉजी को पेशेंस, काइंडनेस और क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ पढ़ाया. थैंक यू फॉर लाइफ के वंडर्स को इतनी ग्रेस और केयर के साथ एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए. बिकॉज ऑफ यू बायोलॉजी कभी इंटिमिडेटिंग नहीं लगी, बस इंस्पायरिंग लगी. थैंक यू.
All right, now brace yourselves because this next performance does not believe in holding back.
High energy, sharp moves, and absolute stage command.
Get ready for the crazy harbingers, bringing fire, precision, and pure excitement.
स्वागत तो करो हमारा. लगा सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट है. मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा. देखो तो हसीना को आना भी करीना को तुमको का फीवर है चढ़ने लगा. थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके, थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके, थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके, थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके, सारे 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 सारे. Let's not join.
राइफल दिखा के मुशायरे लुटिए, ऊपर से कूद के आज टूटिए. राइफल दिखा के मुशायरे लुटिए, ऊपर से कूद के आज टूटिए. काली सी बोतल में रंगीन भर के खा, हाँ उड़दा पंजाब.
तू ही मेरा दिल नाल, तू ही मेरी जान, सोने आवे तेरे नाल हुन मेरी पहचान.
तू ही मेरी दुआ ते रब तू है मैं तमन्ना दे विच मंगा तेरी उड़ाइया ये दिल पर घबराए भूल मुझको तू कहीं ना मिले तुम तुर जाए ओ मन्नू ओ मन्नू कुट हो गया मैं तो एवी लुट गया ओ मैं तो एवी लुट गया अय्याशी के बनवे से खुद को मोड़ना जाने ना कंबल बेवजह ये शर्म का ओढ़ना जाने ना जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है वक्त छोड़ना जाने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल बदतमीज दिल माने ना
सर झुका के कर सलाम है शाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी है शाम शानदार चक दे अंधेरा चांद जला दे बल्ब बना के फिक्र न करियो करना भी क्या है बिजली बचा के सारे आम पिला खुशी के जाम शानदार आसमां से आ गिरी ये शाम शानदार
देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी देखो देखो है शाम बड़ी दीवानी धीरे धीरे बन जाए न कोई कहानी दिल भर है दिलकश है दिलदार नजारे है आज जमीन पर उतरे कितने सितारे हैं अगलो होश नमी दानम हम है दिल है और जानम बस दीवानगी 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 है ना कोई रहसन ना रहबर ये इल्जाम लगे किस पर बस दीवानगी 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 है All the hot girls put your hands up and say Om Shanti All the boys come on make some noise and say Om Shanti
That was explosive. Energy, coordination, and impact. Everything perfectly in place.
And now, the moment everyone was waiting for.
A title that represents confidence, personality, presence, and grace.
Being Mr. or Miss Aryan is not about appearance alone.
It's about how you carry yourself, how you treat others, and how you leave an impression. To confer this distinguished title, we respectfully invite Principal Sir and his better half, Director Vishal Khamam, to graciously felicitate our Mr. and Miss Aryan.
Okay, so the boys made it very easy for the judges to take a decision. For the girls, it was difficult as usual. So, Mr. Aryan 2026, the prize goes to this prestigious crown goes to Kushagra Aryan. And Miss Aryan 2026, she has taken so many awards today. She'll take one more. Navya Srivastava.
है।
To our class 12 seniors, carry forward what you've learned. Cherish where you've come from and never doubt your potential.
Wherever life takes you, with confidence guide you and values ground you.
Thank you to all our dignitaries, teachers and students for making this evening meaningful.
With gratitude in our hearts and pride in our smiles, we conclude this farewell celebration.
This is Prati
and this is Tanushka
signing off for the evening. Thank you and good night.